Good morning to all. Today I am going to revise the chapter trigonometry, that is multiple angle, for class 11. Revision of trigonometry, that is multiple angle. Multiple angles. I know the formulas we have discussed before. Trigonometry chapter that will come in the exam happily. Multiple angle. Let us take one question. First question. Sin 2x, you have to prove sin 2x by 1 minus cos 2x is equal to cot x is equal to. This is the question you have to prove. So first of all, we write the left hand side. The left hand side is equal to sin 2x by 1 minus cos 2x. So what is the formula for sin 2x? The formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x, and 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x. Sorry, 2 sin square x. I am writing the formula here, 2 sin square x. Since sin 2x, that is multiple angle formula, 2 sin x cos x, and cos 2x a formula. Cos 2x a formula that I write here. Cos 2x a formula is 1 is cos square x minus sin square x, and 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus. There are three formula here for cos 2x, and your question is 1 minus cos 2x. So 1 minus cos 2x will be 2 sin square x. So finally 2 cancel, 1 sin cancel, left cos x by sin x. This is sin. Cos by sin is what? Cos by sin is nothing but cot x, which is equal to right hand side. In this way, question number 1 completed. Let us go next question. Number 2. These are the proof type question. First, number 2 question given. 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x is equal to tan square x. This is the question. So first you write left hand side, 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x. Already written here. 1 minus cos 2x, that is 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x. 2 cancel, sin by cos is tan, that will be tan square x. Tan square, which is equal to right hand side. It is clear, I think. Next, number 3. You have to prove that cos square pi by 12, cos square pi by 12 minus sin square pi by 12 is equal to root 3 by 2. Is equal to root 3 by 2. This is the question. Okay. Just we see the what type of question it is given, then how to prove. Cos square pi by 12 minus sin square pi by 12 is equal to root 3 by 2. First you copy left hand side. Cos square pi by 12 minus sin square pi by 12. See, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Just I have told before, cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. That is cos 2 theta means here pi by 12. How much coming? Cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 is how much? Pi by pi means 180, pi by 6 30 degree. Cos 30. Cos 30 is 30 degrees how much? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay. This is the way of solving or proving the trigonometrical identities regarding chapter multiple angle. Okay. Let us go one more question. Just see. Question number 4. You have to prove that sin pi by 6 into cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 4. is equal to root 3 by 4. Sin pi by 6 into cos pi by 6 equal to root 3 by 2. First we'll copy left hand side. What is the left hand side? That is sin pi by 6 into cos pi by 6. Do one thing here, 1 by 2 write, and write 2 sin pi by 6 into cos pi by 6. Why I have multiplied 2 and divided 2? Because 2 sin theta into cos theta, the formula is sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta means sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into theta means here pi by 6. Pi by 6. How much you are getting here? 2. Sorry, this is half. It is coming sin pi by 3. Pi by 3. 1 by 2 sin pi by 3 means sin 60 degree. Sin 60 is how much? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Finally getting root 3 by 4. So what is the answer? Left hand side root 3 by 4 and right hand side given also root 3 by 4. That means this is nothing but right hand side. In this way it is proved also. Okay. Let us go next question number 5. Question number 5 we have to prove that. Just to see the question. Cos 4x. You have to prove cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. First of all, copy the left hand side. Left hand side given cos 4x means you can break like this, cos 2 into 2x. You think this is 2x means theta. Cos 2 theta formula is cos, that is cos square theta, cos square theta, that is cos square 2x minus sin square 2x. Cos 2 theta formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. After that, this will be 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Yes or no? 1 minus 2 sin. If you will break cos square means 1 minus sin square, it will be 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. 1 minus 2, this sin square 2x. The sin 2x formula is what? 2 sin x into cos x whole square. 1 minus 2, this will be 4 sin square x into cos square x. If I open the bracket, this will be coming how much? 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x, which is nothing but right hand side. In this way, question number 5 also completed. This is all about the revision for trigonometry, complementary trigonometry, that is compound angle and multiple angle. Chapter name is compound angle and multiple angle. Okay, try to practice in the more sums. One more question I am doing, just number 6, just to see. Question number 6. You have to prove question number 6, just to see. Question number 6, it is given 1 plus sin 2x, 1 plus sin 2x minus cos 2x, whole divided by 1 plus sin 2x plus cos 2x is equal to tan x. This is the question. First of all, you copy left hand side. Left hand side given 1 plus sin 2. Do one thing here. First write 1 minus cos 2x, then plus sin 2x. Just you have to arrange properly. And here the same thing, 1 plus cos 2x plus sin 2x. 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x, and sin 2x formula is 2 sin x into cos x. 1 plus cos 2x formula 2 cos square x plus 2 sin x, because sin 2x formula 2 sin x into cos x. If I take 2 sin x common, both numerator as well as denominator, what will the result? If I take 2 sin x common, 2 sin here 2 cos x common. What is left? Sin x plus cos x, and here cos x plus 1. That will cancel 2 sin x by 2 cos x. 2 sin x common. Left sin x plus cos x. Plus cos x. And denominator you have to take 2 cos x common. What left? Cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x. So this part will be cancelled. 2 cancel. Sin by cos is how much? Tan x. This is nothing but tan, which is equal to right hand side. This is all about the trigonometry chapter. You have to practice. Thank you for today's class.